Hey, what's going on guys, Phenomenal Club here, back again with another video. Now in this video I will show you how to install WebGoat in Kali Linux. Now in case you don't know what WebGoat is, it's actually a deliberately insecure web application maintained by OWASP designed to teach web application security lessons. This program is a demonstration of common server-side application flaws. The exercises are intended to be used by people to learn about application security and penetration testing techniques. Now on to a side note, while running this program your machine will be extremely vulnerable to attack. You should disconnect from the internet while using this program. WebGoat's default configuration binds to localhost to minimize the exposure. This program is for educational purposes only. If you attempt these techniques without authorization, you are very likely to get caught. I have already downloaded the WebGoat. So if you want to download the WebGoat, there is a link in the description below. So from your terminal, go to the downloads folder and type ls. And then type java -jar and the name of the file.